In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Systeme.io if you want to start accepting payments through your Systeme.io account. Connecting Stripe is one of the most important setup steps. The good news is that the process is straightforward, and in just a few moments, you can link the two platforms securely. To begin, log into your Systeme.io dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or avatar. This opens your account options. From there, select Settings. After the Settings area loads, go to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Payment Gateways. This is where Systeme.io lets you manage the payment providers connected to your account. Once you're on the Payment Gateways page, look for the Stripe option near the top of the list. Next to it, you'll see a blue Connect button. Click that button to begin the connection process. This starts a secure handoff from Systeme.io to Stripe, so you can safely authorize the integration through Stripe's official login and verification page. When the Stripe authentication page appears, sign in using the email address and password associated with your Stripe account. Make sure you're entering the login details for the correct Stripe account, especially if you use more than one. If your Stripe account has two-factor authentication enabled, Stripe will send a 6-digit verification code to your mobile device. Enter that code when prompted to continue. This extra step helps protect your account and ensures that only authorized users can complete the connection. After you log in, Stripe may ask you to choose a business profile if your Stripe account manages multiple businesses. Select the profile you want to connect to Systeme.io. Take a moment to review the permissions Stripe shows on screen, since this confirms what access Systeme.io is requesting in order to process payments properly. Once everything looks correct, click Connect or Authorize access to this account, depending on the wording shown on your screen. After authorization is complete, Stripe will automatically redirect you back to your Systeme.io settings panel. This is your confirmation step. If the connection was successful, the blue Connect button will no longer be there. Instead, you'll see your connected Stripe account ID displayed in its place. And that's it. Your Stripe account is now connected to Systeme.io, and you're ready to move forward with setting up offers, checkouts, and payment collection inside your account.